Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Mills coffee grinder. The model number for this particular box is DM7451. We don't have a lot of information. Over here we have this one photo of what the coffee grinder is supposed to look like, but this really is not much. Over here we have some more information that primarily that the color of this particular coffee grinder is black. There is some added information here. This particular coffee grinder is suitable to grind and chop coffee, nuts and spices. Pulse switch with transparent lid and stainless steel case, stainless steel housing and stainless steel blade. Fills out about 4 to 8 cups and has a powerful 200-watt motor. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the grinder. First off, we have a instruction manual for this particular grinder. It's a pretty large document. You should read it at least once. And you also have a spoon. This is for basically scooping coffee out of a jar or scooping the ground coffee out of this jar into a container, and also for cleaning it. Nice touch as well. Now we have this grinder. This is basically a grinder, but for more specific usage. As you can see, this comes out and this is the motor right over here. This is the first jar. This is basically where you ground your coffee. You'll notice the stainless steel housing and the stainless steel blades right over here. And on top of this, you also have this covers to make sure that this doesn't fly out. I'll try to attach it properly. I'll do this part again. There's also this cover to keep the pressure on when you're doing all the grinding. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Dr. Mills coffee grinder, the model number being DM7451. Thank you for watching.